everybody, this is Julie Bean with Beading, and I want to show you two beautiful new colors by Prestige Crystal. So we have Sunshine Peridot and Dark Sapphire. So here is an earring that I made with them, and I combined them together because I think they look really beautiful together. And I think this is a great way of showing off these colors. So the Sunshine Peridot is right here, and it has just a little hint of sunshine, basically, a little hint of yellow in it. It's very, very subtle though, but if you were to combine the Prestige Crystal Original Peridot with the new Sunshine Peridot, it does have just a little bit more yellow to it, but it's very subtle, so still definitely green. And the Dark Sapphire is a really rich, vibrant blue. If you can look here, if you can catch it just perfectly, you can see how it's creating a blue shadow. It's a really saturated blue. It almost kind of has like a glowy effect when the light hits it. So it's a really wonderful, intense blue. And I think they're just really pretty together. So I do have a video for how to make this exact earring. It was done during one of our Beadaholic live classes. So I will link to that video in the description of this video. There's also a project page for it over at beadaholic.com. So you can go check that out if you want to know how to make this. But I just want to take a moment to show you a couple more of these crystals and a couple things that they look really good with. So here's the Dark Sapphire, again, just showing the beads alone. Again, it's that really, really rich blue. This is an 8mm round. We'll do a little size comparison. So that's an 8mm round. That's a 6mm round. And here is a 4mm round. So you see how those sizes do change quite a bit. You think 4, 6, 8, there's not a big difference, but there really is in beads. And again, all that beautiful, rich, dark sapphire. And then here we have the really pretty Sunshine Peridot. So there it is alone, not sitting next to that blue, so you can really see what that color is too. Now for pairing things with these beads, for the Dark Sapphire, I pulled out a couple pretty Prestige pearls. This is a crystal iridescent light blue, or actually this is a dream blue. I should correct myself there. This is dream blue. I thought that was really pretty. I also really liked the crystal moonlight pearl. If you want to do more of a white pearl with it, this has kind of a silver shimmer to it. I thought went really nicely with that Dark Sapphire. And then for the Sunshine Peridot, I love the reglass beads with them. So these are by Toho, and they mimic the look of sea glass. So they really kind of get that beachy sea glass feel to them. And they come in different colors. There's actually an amber and a clear one as well. But these are the greens, and there's different finishes on them as well. And then it also has the blue. So even the Dark Sapphire looks so nice with the reglass blue. And then the Peridot, the Sunshine Peridot, looks so great with the reglass greens as well. So those are just a couple little quick design tips of what you might want to pair with them. Whatever you do pair with them is going to look beautiful. I think the green would also go great with some purples. That would be beautiful. The blue, you could go really vibrant and do like a blue and orange combo. That would be beautiful as well. Or you can pair them together like I did in this earring. And again, go to beadaholic.com. We have a project page for this earring, so you'll see how to make it. It'll be all linked up right there. All right, I hope you enjoyed this really quick show and tell showing the new colors of Prestige Crystal, the Dark Sapphire, and the Sunshine Peridot. And everything is available for sale over on beadaholic.com. Thanks, everyone.